Episode 31. How to draw a cute Halloween ghost holding a pumpkin bucket. Hey everyone! It is me again. Here's a fun way to draw a ghost. I bet you will love it. Let's get started. Upside down U shape. Begin with an upside down U shape for the head and body outline. Wavy bottom. Connect the ends of the U shape with a wavy line to form the bottom of the ghost. Orange fill. Fill in the shape with a bright orange color to give it a effect. Eyes. Near the top of the ghost, draw two oval-shaped eyes. Mouth. Below the eyes, add a small curved line for the smiling mouth. Draw a funny mouth with tongue sticking out. On the right side of the draw a small circle with a handle to make it look like holding a pumpkin bucket. Pumpkin face. Add a small pumpkin face to the bucket. Draw some small bat shapes around the ghost for decoration. Now are you ready for some spooky fun? Enjoy creating your cute ghost. See you later, friends. Don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you. Goodbye.